What's happening YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to download iTunes, install it into your laptop device in here so you can actually connect your iPhone, your iPad or any other Apple device to your laptop so you can transfer data, sync stuff and also update or restore your Apple device. I'll be showing you how to download iTunes to your Windows operating system in here. Do not worry, I do have a MacBook of course, but I'm running a Windows operating system, so I'll show you all the steps as if you do have a Windows laptop. I'll also show you how to connect your iPhone to your MacBook device as well in here. I do have two softwares, so I'm going to show you all the two methods in today's video. Now, please note that iTunes has been discontinued to MacBook devices. If you're running the native macOS operating system, you won't be able to install iTunes because iTunes doesn't exist anymore. Like, all you need to do is simply connect your device and you'll be able to manage it here from Finder. You can transfer data, copy photos, transfer music and a lot more stuff in here with your Finder app itself. Now, if you do have a Windows operating system or a Windows laptop, you'll need to download iTunes, and that's exactly what I'm gonna show you in this video. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech-related issues, and I also share cool tech tutorials and hacks. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you do not miss every time I upload a brand new video. Now, the very first thing in here that we need to do, of course, we need to ensure that we are having a stable internet connection. So simply connect to the internet and quickly open up your internet browser. In my case, I'm running this browser in here, which is the built-in browser that comes with your Windows operating system. You want to head straight into google.com real quick and then tap on enter, and it's going to take a couple seconds to load, right? Here we are. We're already here at google.com, and you want to search for iTunes download. Here we go, iTunes download, and then simply tap here to search for that specific term. Now, next up, you want to be careful in here because you want to make sure that you're downloading it from the official website. You want to download the latest version and the official version. You don't want to download it from a third-party website, which will probably give you something which is not original, like a clone or anything like that, and it might not perform very well. So you want to tap in here, for example, on anything that has the apple.com domain ending in here. Let me quickly zoom it a bit. As you can see in here, we do have this link where you do have support.apple.com. So you want to see any website that ends with apple.com that has this logo right here or this logo right here. So we do have this specific link. It's the latest version that was released in 8 March 2024. You want to tap it once and then it's going to take a couple seconds to load. Let me just quickly refresh my internet connection. Something was bugging here with my internet speed, but there we go, it's sorted out. And as you can see in here, we've got iTunes 12.10.11 for Windows 64-bit, which is the latest version that I'm actually running in today's date, right? Now you want to check according to the date you're watching this video, you might be having a much later system software. Now, what you want to do next is simply scroll down and simply tap here on download. As you can see, we do have the file size, which is approximately 200 megabytes. So I'm going to tap once here on download to download this specific setup. In just a couple seconds, you'll be able to see the download starting here at the top right corner. You'll be able to see the progress bar, and it's going to tell you the estimated time it's going to take to complete that specific download. Now, please note that this depends on your internet speed. If you do have, for example, a much faster internet speed, this will take you much faster. It can take you, for example, 10 seconds to 5 seconds, but in my case, it's asking me for 2 minutes because I do have a much slower internet connection based on my current region right now. So just be patient, sit back and relax and wait until the download process gets completed. There we go, download is now complete, and as you can see in here, I do have my setup right under downloads folder. If you have any issue finding it, okay, let me just quickly close it. You just want to open up the folders here, and then you want to hop into downloads real quick in here. So once you're under downloads, you'll be able to see all downloaded files that you've downloaded from the internet, from your internet browser. There we go, we're going to search for the iTunes setup real quick, and then we're going to double tap once on it to launch the installation. As you can see, we do have a small progress bar in here. All you need to do is just wait for it and let it do its thing. Next up, you do have in here this wizard that we need to follow. All you need to do is simply tap on next and then make sure that you add it to your desktop. just leave it as default preferences in here. Next up, tap on install, and then the installation process will just start in just a couple seconds. We've got in here a permission from administrator rights. Let me tap on yes, and just relax, sit back and wait for a couple more seconds. There we go, the installation is taking place. As you can see, it's almost done in here. This is a very quick installation. It doesn't take a lot of time, and in just a couple seconds or minutes will be sorted out. There we go, the installation process is now complete, and we'll simply tap here on finish and the application will launch by itself. Let me quickly close this, and there we go. We do now have the iTunes installed into our laptop device. Congratulations, you've just downloaded iTunes, you've installed it into your laptop device, and all you want to do next is simply connect your iPhone device into your computer, and it should show up in here real quick. Now, if you do have a MacBook device, all you need to do is simply connect your iPhone device. You do not need to actually download anything, just a way of said, because this has been discontinued for MacBook operating systems, okay? So here I am with my iPhone real quick. So we'll be connecting the USB. In my case, it's a Type-C. I'll connect this end into my iPhone device, and then the other end I'll be connected into my MacBook or laptop in here. There we go. I've just connected it. Wait for a couple of seconds. You should see a beep in here, and then let me quickly unlock it. If you see a pop-up which says, do you want to trust this device? Simply tap on trust or on yes to make the connection process much seamless and convenient. Next up, if you are here running a MacBook device, simply open up Finder just the way I've said, and then simply tap here on your device under locations, and you'll be able to see your iPhone in here showing up. As you can see, I do have my storage, I do have my charging percentage and everything. I can update my phone from here, I can back up files, I can transfer music, movies, photos, and a lot more stuff in here. Now, if you're running a Windows PC, all you need to do is simply open up iTunes, connect your phone, and you'll be brought to this exact same screen that looks like this, okay? Now, from here onwards, it depends on you, whatever you wish to do with your phone. You can sync music files as well, transfer music files from your laptop into your iPhone, and do a lot more stuff. So this is how you download iTunes, install it into your laptop device, which is quite an easy process. So you can actually connect and transfer data, vice versa, from your laptop to your iPhone device. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section below if you do have any question or doubt. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq. We're now crossing 40,000 subscribers, and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. The main aim of this channel is to help people fix tech-related issues so you can save up some money and avoid paying high fees for something that you can do on your own. If you find my content useful here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends the videos here which are in the YouTube channel, because by doing so you're actually helping the channel growing and to reach out to more people and ultimately help more people fixing tech related issues. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.